All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So outside, outside. So not inside, but outside. Yeah. We are outside in the cold. She is outside in a field. I run outside in a park. Yeah. How cool is that? I'm always outside with them. She should spend more time outside. They want to be outside more. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. We walked outside in the field. Yeah. Yeah. They want to be outside on the weekend. When it is a nice sunny day, then they want to be outside. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. She is outside in the sun. Yeah. When it is sunny, it is nicer to be outside. Yeah. How cool is that? Tomorrow would be a good day to go outside. Yeah. We think that Fridays are a good day to spend outside. Sometimes it is nice to be outside on the weekend. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Outside. Now, can you use the word outside, the preposition outside, in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.